Welcome to the world of the Turmeric Night Detox drink, a natural remedy that promises to revitalize your nights and rejuvenate your mornings. Struggling with poor sleep, stubborn belly fat, or sluggish digestion? This one golden drink, yes, just 1 cup at night, could transform how you sleep, burn fat, and cleanse your body naturally. It's simple, powerful, and no, your doctor probably won't tell you about it. Let's dive into understanding how your body repairs itself every night. With the right support, like our Turmeric Night Detox drink, you can enhance this natural process and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Every night while you sleep, your body should be repairing itself, flushing out toxins, reducing inflammation, and burning fat. But when your liver is overloaded or your gut is inflamed, none of that works like it should. That's where this magical nighttime drink comes in. Now let's dive into the recipe for this amazing Turmeric Night Detox drink. Here's what you need to make the Turmeric Night Detox drink. 1 cup of warm water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper. Yes, this is crucial. And honey to taste. The honey is optional, especially if you prefer a bit of sweetness before bed. Stir it well and sip it slowly about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Now let's dive into the science-backed benefits of this drink. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and pain. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, making it more effective. Warm water aids in digestion and can help relax your body, preparing you for a good night's sleep. Honey, if you choose to add it, can provide a soothing effect and even help improve sleep quality. So, this simple drink not only helps detoxify your body, but also promotes better sleep and overall well-being. Let's break down the science-backed benefits of this nighttime wonder drink. 1. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that calms your gut and reduces joint pain, muscle aches, and internal swelling. This is why it's often called nature's ibuprofen. 2. Aids fat burning while you sleep. When your body is calm and your digestion is working efficiently, fat metabolism increases. The combo of turmeric and black pepper boosts thermogenesis, your body's fat-burning process, especially overnight. 3. Detoxifies your liver. Your liver works hardest while you sleep, filtering out toxins. Turmeric supports this process by improving liver enzyme function and promoting bile flow. This means a cleaner system and a lighter, less bloated feeling in the morning. Now let's hear a real-life success story and some encouragement. One of our subscribers, Amara, tried this drink every night for just 5 days. Her sleep improved, morning bloating disappeared, and she lost 2 pounds without changing her diet or exercise routine. It's not magic, it's just giving your body the tools it needs to heal naturally. Join our community and share your experiences. Together we can make a difference. If you're going to try this golden drink tonight, comment golden below and let's support each other. Also, like this video and share it with a friend who's trying to sleep better or lose belly fat. And don't forget to subscribe. We have a new natural remedy video every week. Pro tip, add a small piece of fresh ginger or a sprinkle of cinnamon for even more benefits, especially for blood sugar control and immune support. And remember, consistency is key. Start tonight, and in just a few days, your body will thank you. And remember, consistency is key. Start tonight, and in just a few days, your body will thank you.